Facing issues with FaceTime and iMessage notifications not showing up on your iPhone? It can be annoying, especially when you're expecting important calls or messages. Don't worry, this guide will show you simple solutions to make sure FaceTime and iMessage notifications appear as they should. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check notification settings for FaceTime and iMessage. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Scroll down and tap FaceTime or Messages, whichever app you're having issues with. Tap Notification. Ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Choose your alert style, banners or alerts. Make sure sound is enabled. Repeat the same steps for the Messages app. Scroll down and tap Messages. Tap Notifications. Ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Select your preferred alert settings. Solution 2. Turn iMessage and FaceTime off and back on. Check if iMessage and FaceTime are enabled on your device. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Messages. Toggle on iMessage. If it's already on, turn it off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on again. Go back and tap FaceTime. Toggle on FaceTime. If it's already on, turn it off and then back on again. Solution 3. Verify date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with notifications. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is toggled on, so your network sets the correct time zone. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Allowing FaceTime and iMessage to refresh in the background ensures that notifications are up to date. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Ensure Background App Refresh is toggled on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to find FaceTime and Messages. Ensure both are enabled for background refresh. Solution 5. Reset all settings. If notifications are still not working, resetting all settings can help resolve persistent issues. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm your choice. Note, this will reset all system settings, including Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers, but will not erase your data. Now that you've completed these steps, the pop-up notification issues for FaceTime and iMessage on your iPhone should be fixed. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.